In this video, we're going to learn how to use HLOOKUP in Excel to quickly pull data from a table. If you've used HLOOKUP before, this will feel familiar, but we'll be looking horizontally instead of vertically. Don't worry if you're brand new, we'll go step by step with a clear example. Step 1. HLOOKUP is short for horizontal lookup. Instead of looking down a column like VLOOKUP, it looks across the top row to find a match, then drops down to return a value from another row. It's perfect when your headings are across the top and the details are in rows underneath. Step 2. Let's set up a quick example. In row 1, type headers like month, Jan, February, Mar across the top. In row 2, put sales numbers for each month. Highlight this whole block so you can see the range, like a 1 laughing face 2, because we'll need that for our HLOOKUP formula. Step 3. Now let's look at the HLOOKUP syntax. It's HLOOKUP, then an opening bracket, and 4 pieces, the value you're looking for, the table range, the row number to return from, and an optional setting for exact or approximate match. Once you understand these 4 parts, the function becomes much easier to use. Step 4. Let's write one together. In a blank cell, type equals HLOOKUP, February, a 1 laughing face 2, false. Here, Feb is what we're searching for in the top row, a 1 to D2 is our table, 2 means we want the second row, and false tells Excel we want an exact match. Press enter, and you should see the sales number for February appear. Step 5. Instead of typing Feb directly, you can point to a cell, like B4, that contains the month you want. So your formula becomes equals HLOOKUP, B4, a 1 laughing face 2, false, which makes it easy to change the month without editing the formula. You can also change the row number to pull different information, and experiment with true for approximate matches when your data is sorted. Now you know how to use HLOOKUP to pull data from horizontal tables in Excel. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more Excel tips, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next.